I'm gonna have to get some carpet cleaner. Oh, pineapple juice.
Wait, Matt, what did you spill?
Spilled pineapple juice on my carpet. Now it smells like fucking piss.
Why is your pineapple
Wait, you
smell
spelled.
like piss?
Yeah, dude, you get some fucking raunchy ass pineapples or something.
Well, no, I spilled it a couple of hours ago, and now it smells like piss.
Why does pineapple smell like piss?
I don't know.
Pineapple smell is amazing.
But,
that's the question we have here. Where are you buying your pineapples?
The piss store.
The pineapple juice itself.
Ah, this dude in the fucking window.
Because last night I was eating some pineapple while I was watching TV, and fucking, I forgot to take a can out of my room, and I threw it on the floor, and I knocked it over by accident, and it fucking spilled. And now it smells like piss.
Matt, have you ever watched Breaking Bad?
No, I
Dude, watch that shit. That fucking show is so good. I'm almost done with Walking Dead too. I'm almost caught up with Walking Dead. I just need to see, like, I'm almost done with season 2, then I'm just gonna go watch season 3.
Season 3 is amazing.
really good.
I'm so glad that fucking asshole friend of his is dead, by the way.
Who's?
Shane.
Hey,
Shane.
Stop! God! What the fuck? Spoiler alert? Fucking thinking
What?
Fucking ass fucks. Oh. Whoa! Really though? Seriously, guys, I want to be like, anybody here still watching it? Oh, okay. So we're not gonna spoil it for you.
Which was the last season you watched?
Maybe somebody likes, maybe somebody likes the character.
No one likes this character.
No, dude, everyone thinks Shane's a fucking asshole. Everyone thinks Lori's a fucking terrible mother and a wife. I was told she fucking dies too.
Motherfucker!
Yeah.
Okay, doing that shit. Because now it's getting really fucking annoying, to be honest.
What was the last season that you watched?
Fuck, shut up, stop talking about it. Like, anybody really wants to talk to you anyway, stop trying to find out.
I just got a war dog out of a care package.
Don't throw it yet.
Want to talk to you even
You did not throw it. Why did you throw it?
You're an idiot. You're an idiot. Why
Yeah,
would you do that?
unintelligent.
You're
Why would you use that?
I took that. You little fuckface.
That's gay as hell.
I don't know how you got last kill.
I got 2 kills before you did. After you did. That's gay.
Well, you didn't get anything. Your care package god gifted you a 2 kills.
Great.
That you decided to waste on the last 3 fucking seconds of a fucking game. You dumb.
I don't even have the game volume up. Suck my dick.
Oh, I'm sorry. Your game volume affects the clock on the bottom left-hand corner.
I wasn't looking.
That's a weird TV you have there, buddy.
I'm 5'2". I must remember that.
Yeah.
Damn. But no, Matt, you should really watch Breaking Bad. Breaking Bad's pretty good.
Yeah, Evan was
Matt's probably hell love the first character, the main character in the show.
We're not good. Hey, we're not planning, right?
Really? Is this guy really running on knife? Oh, I'm gonna cut your little dick.
You talking about me?
Oh, the dude with the knife.
army guy.
I bitch.
That Jake
Oh, they're on A. They're on A.
Got it.
Oh, this guy behind me.
Fuck, that reverse pistol, man. There's one on that.
Oh, we got him.
Friendly lightning.
Bitch.
Commando lunge.
How's he
Oh.
doing? I'm fucking there.
Ah.
target finder? Are you fucking serious right now?
Oh, I hate that fucking thing.
UAV awaiting orders.
That's literally all I'm hearing.
Oh, I could have kept going.
Killer drone deployed. Friendly
Should
UAV.
be able to-
We're letting them defuse, right?
Yeah.
Dick.
Friendly hunter-killer drone deployed.
Me and you were tied and killed those.
Lightning strike awaiting coordinates.
Oh, the dude with the knife! I ran out of ammo, damn it!
Our sensor has captured your target.
Can I please get a kill with a lightning strike today? I've got like one kill.
You got two, you happy?
I got two, I'm happy.
Oh no, he killed me. I was 18-0.
Oh, this dude's laying down with that semi-auto 50. What a snatch.
How the fuck did I die?
Don't we want to lose this
God
one?
damn it.
No, don't we want to lose this one?
Hostile UAV.
Force overtime, right?
We can pick you up.
Yes, no?
Hostile counter UAV is online. Hostile hunter-killer drone inbound.
What type of unwanted
Yeah, fucking HML is fucking the shit out of me right now. No, I spelled pineapple juice in my floor and it smells like piss.
What type of unwanted or unused information that you're going to try to share with us? You said something about Christmas. You said something about Christmas.
Don't plant it. No, yo, limit, don't plant it. Let's just go to overtime, fuck it.
I didn't get one of those.
Because we already know you are new without being.
Fuck you.
That makes it
Oh, man.
easier.
Porch.
I won't even be playing this game at Christmas, so
Oh, thank God, it's going to be the best Christmas.
fuck you, Far Cry 3. Far Cry 3 is better than this game. You can kiss my ass.
Oh, where the fuck?
Yeah, but the multiplayer sucks
How
on
did I
it.
miss him?
I'm not gonna play the multiplayer.
Machinima's like... Machinima said it's like Skyrim with guns. Skyrim with guns is Fallout. Exactly what Fallout is. Skyrim with guns.
Yeah, I don't think how somebody shoot me in my pinky toe.
Dude, I can't even get on it. Camping all around it.
Where the fuck? This dude with the sniper.
I killed a tag. No, I guess.
Why did you have to share that with the fucking world?
Fucking damn it, dude.
Go fuck yourself for a second.
I would. I'd like it to.
Ah, the dude with the knife! God damn it!
Oh, he just hit me with a ballistic knife. You motherfucker.
There's 3 on it.
Alright, boy.
Hostiles have hacked your equipment.
Bloodthirsty. Yeah, that's plan. Like, nobody go B-side. Nobody fucking go B-side.
Fight harder. Bomb active.
Typically plan, then you can just tell them while they're defusing, yeah.
Bomb deactivated.
I was saying, like, let him, like, that guy was planning it. I don't want to lose this round. Because I only need one more Bloodthirsty for MP7, and I don't have to fucking worry about having to run with it again.
Lightning strike galore, man. This dude fucking laying down with
We
his...
lost that round, but it's not over yet.
Wish I would have known we were gonna fucking lose that round. Could have like not.
Look at this shit.
Could have just sat back and ate my French fries the whole fucking time.
Overtime.
Fucking.
Demolition.
That's not like you, Anthony, being that low on the leaderboard.
What are
Defend
you
the
fucking
objective.
talking about, please? Shut the fuck up.
No.
Do you realize I'm going for challenges and not fucking kills? Do you want me to go for fucking kills and rape your fucking anus so fucking hard that 3 blacklists come in and fucking live there for the holidays?
You would probably
There's a lot
get
of
your...
homeless people now fucking days. You know that, right? There's a lot of homeless people. Me raping your fucking anus big enough for a man cave would house quite a few of them.
Lol. We can't let them plant that. That's right, this is over.
What? Is this like a talk show? What's going on with my fucking life? I had this dumbass retarded man with a tight asshole that will soon change fucking going on and talking shit to me. And then I have fucking Dr. Simon fucking A. Phil trying to fill up me by asking how my fucking day was. I wonder how it's going. Matt, how the fuck are your french fries feeling right now? Alright.
They planted it. We need to get that shit.
I can't even get a kill.
Be advised. Hunter killer drone inbound.
God damn
That hit me in the face.
Hostile lightning.
Oh, that guy was right there.
Bitch.
it. Oh, I didn't even fucking
You're welcome. Help me.
Friendly
Thank
UAV
you.
inbound.
I don't know what.
What about this? There we go.
Alright, now you actually gonna
Care
try.
package. Gold camo and pizza.
You just come spraying around the corner. There's your own day. Oh, he saw me. Cool beans.
Alright.
The tough part is, you know, I'm not even trying. I'm still doing better than Tweet. The only reason Tweet's doing better than me on the scoreboard is because his dumbass keeps running towards the objective, planting it for like 2 seconds and dying.
Actually, I haven't planted it once yet.
Oh, really? That's why I said 2 plants on your
Hostile
scoreboard?
hunter killer drone
It won't
inbound.
quote two.
Wait,
I've
wait,
defused
what
like
was that
6
tweet?
times.
But, you know what the word but is used for? When you find out you're fucking wrong.
Oh my
Mission
god.
clock about to expire. Care
So,
package.
Tweet, can I tell those black men to move it next week, or you want me to wait until the first?
Fuck you.
They're planning.
I don't know. Somebody needs to kill that guy with a fucking sniper rifle.
We're on offense.
Order on defense and
Matt,
offense.
it's overtime.
Oh, okay.
There's a tack on the other side of the Hummer on the west side.
Strike awaiting
I
coordinates.
was wondering why they were trying to plan it. Like, wait a minute. That says fucking arm. So they're armed with fucking weapons.
Friendly UAV inbound.
Alright, I just stood next to you while you were using that just so they would shoot me. It worked.
Nearby.
Awesome.
Bomb offline.
Awesome. It worked.
So what, we just get a draw? Do we go into like another, like double overtime now?
No. He doesn't fucking
What did he get, a triple?
got a quarter.
I guess we can
Stand
get a
down.
draw.
It's a draw.
Ugh.
I mean, but
Bittersweet,
beating
not even a
KD
victory,
without
man.
perks or attachments, you should really just sucks for you.
Shut up.
You know what you won't be able to shut? That gaping cave of an anus you'll have after I'm done with you.
Funny, 'cause that'll never
Big
happen.
Big enough to house a few homeless people, man. Big enough to house a few homeless
You know how many homeless people there. Nobody saw it going in that direction.
Never.